We have a very interesting letter. You write one thing, the sound is another. Okay, and that's what we are going to do. Letter I. The letter I, the big letter I, we write it up to down, top like this. So you have this on the top and this. That is like this and this and this. The letter I. And the small letter I is just this. That's all I. This from here till here, one single thing. The letter I, why it is different is, I we say, but the sound is E. Actually, you say I, the letter, the sound is E. Listen to the song. There's a little mouse and his name is Inky. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. E. Inky is wet. E. The sound of I is E. Listen carefully. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. Ink is spread all over the desk. E. Inky is wet. The sound of I is E. Okay? Now, when we say ice, you like ice? Yeah, cold ice. E. The sound is I. I-N-K, ink you say, but the sound is E. E. You say I-E. So, ink, then you have insect, E. In, E. Iron, E. Letter I sounds E. E. Remember to say ice, ink, insect, ink, iron, ink pot, igloo, E. Remember E for letter I.